I walk into plants on a regular basis that say, gosh, I haven't done maintenance in 10, 12 years. And I don't have a slide for this, Justin, but it was an IEEE. I'm gonna draw a blank on the one, but they did a study about the time frame between testing a component and its probability of failure, right? And the basic numbers bore out that if you don't inspect and test your equipment at 3 to 5 years is sort of the interval that they've come up with, 3 to 5 years, that the probability of, say, a circuit breaker not operating properly is relatively 50-50, right? That it's 50% chance it will, 50% chance it won't operate properly if it's gone more than 3 to 5 years. So I guess we should stress to everybody that if you are doing routine maintenance every 3 to 5 years, you probably have got a pretty good system going. If you haven't done maintenance in 10, 12, I got a customer right now that maybe hasn't done maintenance in 20 years. I'm expecting we're going to find problems, right? And it's a matter of how we address those then at that point.